Okay, now we're going to talk about first how to configure the opt-in pages, subscription pages, and thank you pages before creating web forms. We're going to do that specific demo right away. So let's suppose this is the company page. This is the page where subscribers are going to fill out this form to get in touch with your offer, product, and service. So I'm going to type in the email address and I'm going to subscribe. So subscriber is going to click and subscribe, and they're going to see this message. This is a basic message that Webmail Booster is going to show to the visitors. And also when subscribers receive the notification to double opt-in and they click this URL, they're going to see a similar message. It's going to be a basic message that comes from Webmail Booster system. Now, we are going to do this better and smarter. So we are going to lists. We're going to select the list. We're going to do the testings. In this case, it's going to be my first list. And we're going to settings. As you can see, I have created display my own confirmation pending page and display my own subscription confirmed page. So let's go to do the example. Okay, this is the subscription page. This is the URL, this is the website, and I'm going to subscribe to this website. I'm going to click the subscribe button, and this is the difference. This is the custom page that I just created when my subscribers request more information. And because this is a custom page, I can include a variety of elements to complete my marketing strategy. As you can see, this is only a testing, but looks better and much more professional. This corresponds to this specific page. Correct? Now, when they receive the double opt-in confirmation message, we're going to see it. This is the permission message. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to click it again. I'm going to confirm this specific URL. I'm going to click it, and this is my customized page that my subscribers are going to see when they complete the opt-in process. It's more professional and complete. You can do the same thing. And this page corresponds to this URL. You can save the settings, and it is going to work for you that specific way.